In today's video, Brody is going to be designing a custom pair of Nike ID Kyrie 6s. And in today's video, not only is he going to design the pair online, and we're going to share his design thoughts and aspects with you, but we actually have the pair of sneakers right here in front of us. So this will give you an idea of what to expect online when you're designing your own pair of sneakers, and what will you actually receive. Does it look exactly what it looks like on the internet? We're going to get into all that in just a little later on. Are you ready to get into designing these sneakers? Let's go. So here we're on Nike Custom Kyrie 6 by you, which any of you can design your Nikes at any time. Now we're going to start off with the quarter part of the sneaker behind the swoosh. What colorway are you thinking, bro?
I'm thinking black.
Okay, black. Do you want to do pebbled leather or reptile leather?
Reptile leather.
Okay, we're going to go with the reptile leather. Now, next thing is the swoosh. What color swoosh are you thinking?
Gold.
Gold. All right, I like it. Metallic gold.
Yeah.
Now moving to the forefoot, what colorway are you thinking?
Black.
All right, I like it. Matches up with everything else. Now the tongue. What colorway for the tongue?
Black.
Okay. All right, it's starting to come together. All right, now moving to the heel. I think we have tons of options for the heel. We have a white iridescent, we have a black solid, we got a wolf gray, we got a black iridescent. What are you thinking, bro?
Black iridescent.
You like that one?
Yeah.
I think it looks really good with that gold swoosh. Now the next thing we're gonna move to is the strap. What colorway are you thinking for the strap?
Black.
Okay. Now next thing is the inside of the sneaker, the lining. What colorway are you thinking?
Black.
I think that's a good choice. It matches up really well. Alright, now this one might be a little difficult. We have tons of these options. Take a peep at all these colors here. What color are you thinking for the laces?
Green.
What colorway green? Looks like we got a couple. We got a Legion green, we got a Clover, and a Bolt. What are you thinking?
Legion green.
Okay, I like that one. Alright, now moving down to the lower part of the sneaker, we have the midsole.
Black.
Now, what are you thinking for the midsole? Black? I like it. Now, on that midsole, you can apply a treatment. You got white, you got gold speckles, you got a ton of different colors. What colorway would you want to throw, or do you want to keep it straight black?
Gold.
Gold speckles?
Gold speckles.
I like it. Man, that looks really good.
We're almost done.
We're getting there. Alright, now moving to the bottom of the sneaker, the outsole. What colorway are you thinking for the outsole of the sneaker?
Brown.
Brown? You want to use the gum bottom?
Gum bottom.
I like that. That looks really good, man. That's a good choice. Man, this shoe is really starting to come together, bro. Now the top of the tongue, do you want to keep Kyrie's symbol, or do you want to add your own personal symbol?
Add my own personal symbol.
What do you got in mind?
For a B.
A B for Brody? I like it. You want to put B on both tongues?
B on both tongues.
Okay, I agree, man. Man, that's gonna look really good. Now the lateral text, that would be behind the Nike swoosh. Do you want to put something behind that Nike swoosh, or do you want to keep it black like this?
Something behind it.
What do you got in mind?
I want to put a number.
What number you want to put?
24.
Why you want to put 24?
Because I want to serve Kobe. And Kobe was like a friend to me because I liked him. I liked him very much. He was a good basketball player.
Alright, man, I like that. So what colorway do you want to put the 24?
Gold.
So they don't have a metallic gold. You want to go with university gold?
Yes.
Man, that looks really good.
I like that a lot, bro.
So the very last part of designing your own custom Kyrie 6s is the inner tongue inspiration. What do you want to put on the left and right
My
sneaker?
name, Brody and Dunlap.
I like it. So here is your pair of Kyrie 6s, man. Are you satisfied with what you see here, or do you want to change something up?
Ooh, I don't want to change nothing.
You don't want to change nothing. You like the way those are looking?
Yeah.
I like the way these are looking too, man. I am super stoked to see how these sneakers turn out. Alright, so here in front of us today, 3 weeks later, we have Brody's custom kicks, the Kyrie 6 by Brody Dunlap. Are you ready to unbox these sneakers? Alright, let's get into it.
Oh my gosh, I love these shoes. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Let me see them. Go ahead and grab that other one out of the box. I'm gonna take a look at these.
These are nice, man.
I think they turned out really, really good, man. What do you think?
I think they turned out pretty good too. I really designed this shoe because I like the colors on it, and I put the 24 on there because I really like Kobe and I wanted to honor him. Every single time I look at that 24, I work hard for Kobe, and he was a legend for the Lakers. He was a legend for the NBA. He was one of my favorite basketball players to watch, and he was a legend for literally, he was a legend. He was literally one of the best basketball players ever.
Yeah, he definitely was. And, you know, I was really happy, you know, when Brody wanted to put the number 24 on these sneakers. That made me proud that he wanted to represent Kobe. And then the colorway for the gold 24, it goes really, really well with this sneaker. Brody, you did an absolute amazing job designing this pair of Kyrie 6s.
Yeah, thank you, bro. You know what else it matches?
What else does it match?
The Lakers jerseys and their numbers.
It does match the Lakers jersey, man. That looks really good. I think Kyrie himself would even love to rock this sneaker. If anybody knows Kyrie, send this video to him. You think Kyrie will see this video?
Probably. Thank you for watching this video.
And if you want to design your own custom pair of Kyrie 6s, we will leave a Sneaker Huddle affiliate link down below in the video description. And also tag us on Twitter and Instagram with your own pair. We would like to see what you guys cook up. I think Brody did an absolute amazing job on his pair. If you haven't, please do subscribe to the channel. And bro, we'll see him in the next video, right?
Mm-hmm.
See you guys. Peace.